Hi there. Do you like watching movies about food? Do you like watching travel or road trip movies? If your answer is yes to both, I have the perfect movie recommendation for you. Chef. It's a comedy drama film about Carl, a head of chef at a restaurant in LA. After a confrontation with his boss, Carl quits his job. While on a trip to Miami, he rediscovers his love for Cuban cuisine. He decides to set up his own food truck where he can make the dishes he likes rather than just to do what his boss tells him. Carl bonds with his son Percy while renovating the truck and stocking up. Carl's friend Martin is a line cook. He quits his job to work at the food truck. Carl, Percy, and Martin drive the truck around the country. The truck's Cuban sandwiches and fries becomes quite popular as they gain a city social media following. By the time the truck reaches LA, they have become quite popular. A food critic who had formerly given a bad review to Carl visits the truck. The critic is impressed by Carl's cooking and offers to invest in a new restaurant headed by Carl. The film ends on a positive note with the restaurant becoming widely successful and Carl reunites with his ex-wife. The film premieres in 2014 as the opening film by Southwest. It won Best Comedy by the ARP Award and the Audience Award for Best Narrative at the Tribeca Film Festival. It was quite well received by the audience. The film grossed $46 million against its budget of $11 million. Chef was written and directed by Jon Favreau, who also played the role of Chef Carl in the movie. This was his first small-scale feature after directing big-budget blockbusters like Cowboys, Aliens, and Marvel's Iron Man and Iron Man 2. The film also featured many well-known names like Sofia Vergara, Scarlett Johansson, Dustin Hoffman, and Oliver Platt, along with cameo appearance from Robert Downey Jr. Chef. It's an enjoyable road movie where you can watch being sort of mouth-watering food along with stunning shots of the many places they visit along the way, particularly in New Orleans and Austin. So Carl, Percy, and Martin go on this road trip. They explore many different foods items as well. They use local ingredients to keep their menu dynamic and have exclusive special items for different cities. This adds to the appeal of the food truck in the movie. Chef is a first road trip movie where we can see growth and development not only in the characters but also in the food. Did you enjoy hearing about this movie? Let us know in the comment what movies you would like to know more about in our next videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.